This may be my stupidest idea yet, but I'm really curious whether or not it'll work. What I have is a 500-pound magnet. It's a neodymium or rare earth magnet. Very strong. It's not a toy. Here it is there. And what I want to do is mount this under my truck.
That's a stupid idea.
If this works out, as I think it might, the next video is I'll have a camera in line with this and we can all watch the coins get captured.
What?
It's a stupid idea!
My target is really coins, Canadian coins. There's some there. And if it's close enough, it picks them up. We'll also pick up tools. There's a pair of vice grips. No problem. Once they're on, they're really stuck. I'm thinking outside of the drive-through windows, when I buy a coffee, there's always a few coins in the ground. If I can drive by with this magnet over top of them, they become mine.
Why do you always do these stupid things? And why do you always announce them to me before you do them?
Let's do it. Okay, so there's my temporary setup. Just test it. Nickel, dime, loony, toony. Well, as you can see, we left the good stuff on the ground, and we got $1.30, $1.15. But we left $2 1/4 on the ground. Well, I'll play with it. If I figure out something better, I'll let you know. Otherwise, we're gonna go buy a coffee. Closed. Damn it. Okay, success. We got a dime. Hey.
Hi, welcome to Wendy's. Anything here, please?
Yeah, could I get a cheesy cheeseburger
Okay.
and a medium fries, please?
Okay, that's everything.
That's got her.
That's $4.84. Second window.
Thank you. I look at the size of her.
We don't have any double stack ones.
Thank you. All right, can I get some ketchup, please? Oh, is that a cheeseburger for Daisy? Thank you. All right. Yes, could I get a medium steep tea, double?
Okay.
Thank you.
177.
All right. Thank you. Cheers.
Sprite?
Bright lights, big city.
We're going through the second Tim Hortons drive-thru, and I got a steep tea, and my dad's gonna go get a coffee. So we'll see how much change we collect now.
Yeah, Daisy rolled her window down.
Yeah.
She knows what's here.
What can I get for you?
Large coffee with milk and a plain Timbit for my dog, please.
Sure. 230.
Cheers. Charge me for the Timbit. A lot of times it's free. All right. There we go. There's your Timbit, Daisy. Okay, yeah, do you want that? There you go. Is that for Daisy? There you go.
270 for you.
Thank you. Thank you.
What you got?
Now this is worth looking at. Look at this. An old rusty dime. The second biggest paper clip I've ever seen. A loonie. Another dime. And what do you see there?
A ring?
What kind of ring is that? Because it's black. Oh, I know what this is. Watch this. Watch this. Oh, I was going to say it's magnetite. But, yeah, a little bit attractant to the coin. Let me try the dime. Yeah, look at that.
Huh.
Cool. Let me just clean it. Fit you?
Kind of.
Kinda not?
No, not over my knuckle.
Oh, okay, so it's a kid's ring, eh?
Yeah.
All right. Good stuff.